Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you this 1970. It's a Boss 302 factory. It was yellow. I have the Marti report done here, the Elite one, so it breaks down everything, in which I'll show you that. But just going to tear it apart down to the structure to where it can be ready for having all the sheet metal done. So that's my plan with it. Step one, I'm just going to tear it down and then replace all the sheet metal, and then I'll decide what to do with it from there. But it is a real Boss 302, no drive line, but it's still there. I got all the tags, the door sticker original is there, the dash tag, it has the tag on the rad support, but we'll just do a little bit of a walk around on it and show you the Marti report. So just to give a quick breakdown of the Marti report on this car. Window sticker, it was $4,108 out the door. And just to show some of the stats on it, here you can see Dearborn car, 302 Boss, yellow paint with the Ford number, 350 rear, 4-speed wide ratio, and where it was sold there at Bob Zimmerman Ford. But there it gives you the basic breakdown. That's if you would get just a standard report, you would get the sheet right here. And then with this Elite, you get it framed, you get the window sticker, a copy of it, a copy of a new door sticker, and then the breakdown of what this car really was. Which you can see there, it starts out 191,070 Mustangs were made. Of those, 46,000 were fastbacks, and then it goes down from there. So 7,014 were Boss 302s. So there were 7,014 Boss 302s, and then it breaks down from them. And you can see in the end, this one is one of 9 that are made exactly like this car. And there wasn't very many options on this car. It did not have the rear window slats or the spoiler. Just the basic Boss 302 in yellow, which I believe is the most populated color of them, is that yellow. So that's just some cool numbers on it. So now I'm going to set up the GoPros. I have a tripod, I have a GoPro sitting over there, and we're just going to capture me just taking it apart. If I find anything cool, I'll stop, show you what I found, but I don't think, seeing as it's pretty well stripped right now, unless I find something in the dash. But let's get to it. And that's about it for stripping this 70 boss down. I have the rear end in it because I need to take it over to where I have my plasma cutter to cut the springs out because they're rusted fast in the frame rail in the back, and it's getting a new one-piece floor, so the frame rails are got to come out anyway. So all I'm going to do is take it over there, cut up the rest of the pieces that I need to cut out to be able to get the rest of the shell sandblasted, like the ones under the lift there. But it's pretty much what I expected. The pillars in the front are pretty decent, just aside from that surface rust that you can see, but cowl side panels are pretty nice. The inner cowl side panels are decent. Needs the B-pillars, needs full quarters. The outer rockers are good, needs one-piece floor, lower cowl, and it needs front towers, aprons, rad support, all that stuff. But I knew that going into it, so it's what I expected. And it was nice. It has the VIN serial number stamped on both sides of the shock towers, so I have every number that you could want for it. I have the buck tag that was on the front, door tag, dash tag. Everything's good to go with this car. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this 70 Boss 302. I have some plans on what I would like to do with it, but we'll see in the upcoming months if things go the way that I want to do things and start that process. It would be nice to build this completely, so I'm not ruling that out. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I'm sure everyone would. Who wouldn't want to see a Boss 302 get built? So I'm still coming up with those ideas, but thanks for watching this video, and I'm just going to show you quick all the good pieces that I pulled off of this, because there was a lot of stuff that could be saved. And it does have the original 9-inch rear still in it, which is good. But just to show you some of the pieces: front spindles, their disc brake, power steering, coil springs, the dash and everything that was under the dash, heater box, gauge cluster, interior trims, upper cowl grille, and I have the doors just sitting there. I'm just going to leave them together to make it easy to keep all the hardwares and the glass together, and have the back glass there. The front glass is junk. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.